So brow shaping. You're probably already worried about your brow shape, but the best thing to do is not touch them too much, because obviously the more you take away, the harder it will be for us to get that shape back when you come back into the salon. So my tips for you are, rule of thumb, anything a thumb space in between your brows, absolutely fine. Tweezer away, but only that much. Anything outside that, please don't touch. Just leave that until you come back into us, and we'll sort the rest out for you. Also, the corners you can tweeze away. Anything here, again, just make sure you don't go anything above that thumb mark at the edge of your eye there. I wouldn't suggest really going underneath here, because that's where the problems occur. If you can see the existing shape you've got there from the last time you had your brows shaped with us, then obviously feel free to just tweeze away anything, literally just on that line there. But as you know, tweezers are a contraband. But because of the circumstance that we can't actually shape your brows for you, we'll allow it just this once. If you haven't got any tweezers at home, please invest in a good pair. These are amazing. Again, they're from the Eyebrow Queen, which is our new product that we'll be launching at the new salon. But we've actually decided to show you guys earlier. I will be putting details of the range and the pricing structure, and we can get them sent out to you next day delivery. Yeah, so we'll be introducing you to some of these beautiful products, and hopefully you'll love them as much as we do.